Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by powering down your TV and Xbox before making connections to avoid issues. Unplug any old HDMI cables and remove dust from ports with a dry cloth. Take an HDMI 2.1 cable and plug it into the Xbox HDMI OUT port and into the TV HDMI 2 input. Position the Xbox vertically or horizontally with at least 3.5 inches clearance around vents for proper airflow and cooling. Plug the power cable into the console and into a surge protector, then press the Xbox button to power on. With the console on, switch your TV to the HDMI input you used for the Xbox. Open TV settings and enable the HDMI 2.1 or 4K mode for that input to allow higher bandwidth. On the Xbox, go to Settings, then General, then TV and Display options to select 4K resolution and enable HDR. If your TV supports 4K at 120Hz, choose 4K 120Hz on the console for smoother gameplay. Enable variable refresh rate to reduce screen tearing. Choose audio output based on your setup, such as TV speakers, bitstream over HDMI, or an AV receiver. If you use a soundbar with optical or a controller headset via 3.5 configure the Xbox audio output accordingly. For downloads and 4K streaming, connect Ethernet for the most stable speed or prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi for higher throughput. If you see no signal, test a different HDMI cable. Change the TV HDMI port or power cycle both devices. Update Xbox system and TV firmware to fix compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.